guys, welcome back to Total Filmy, your one-stop channel for film reviews, film gossips and everything you want to know about Bollywood films. So let's get started. First of all, I want to thank you all for watching our videos and giving us all your love. Thank you so much. Let's talk about this week's two big releases. Or should I say, this year's biggest clash. Ajay Devgan's Shivai versus Karan Johar's Ae Dil Hai Mushkil on the same day. Now there are a lot of things common between these two films. Both have released on the same day. Both are big budget movies. Both are from big banners. And both have spent a lot of money. And both are very lengthy too. First, let's talk about Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. Ae Dil Hai Mushkil is a perfect Karan Johar movie. It has everything, like a perfect Diwali hamper. You know, mithai, chocolates, diyas, nuts, everything it has. But what is missing is the story. Where is the story, Karan? I'm sure the movie must have just started without a story, and then he must have gradually just put in bits and pieces from here and there. He's got everything inside. Kuch kuch hota hai. Bachna Hai Hasino. He's got Rockstar in a big way. And then he's not forgotten Kal Ho Na Ho. So he's got all these movies mixed up in one. So there's nothing new in the movie. The only good thing in the movie is Ranbir Kapoor. He's a fantastic star.
लव टेढ़ा है, लेकिन उस टेढ़े लव में भी सुकून पाना सिर्फ कुछ लोगों का आता है. बट उस चांटे को इश्क कहते हैं, और वो चांटा और जोर से पड़ता है जब कोई तीसरा आ जाता है.
Anushka Sharma is good, but I felt she was over the top in many scenes.
ये अली कौन है?
मेरी तबाही. प्यार में जुनून है, पर दोस्ती में सुकून है. मैं कभी नहीं चाहती कि हम दोनों के बीच जो सुकून है चला जाए.
Aishwarya Rai Bachchan was supposed to be the highlight of the film, but her role is very small and she comes in the second half. She looks amazingly hot, but she doesn't have much to do.
मैं किसी की जरूरत नहीं, ख्वाहिश बनना चाहती हूँ.
Fawad Khan is just okay.
मोहब्बत करता हूँ तुमसे इल्जाम है. इतने सालों का रिश्ता हम दोनों के दरमियान इतनी आसानी से कैसे खत्म कर सकती हो तुम?
Besides these, there are a lot of surprise top stars popping in and popping out, That's typical Karan Johar style. The music of the movie is very good, like everyone knows. But it's too much. It is forced on you. Every 15-20 minutes, there's some song, whether it's a popular song or it's some retro song being forced on it. But what we need is entertainment, which is not there at all. The first half is very slow and dragging. The second half picks up, but then it just keeps on dragging till it completes its 3 hours. All in all, it's a light entertainer. Watch it with your family. Just enjoy yourself. Don't expect anything great. But like I said, nothing extraordinary. You go through the 3 hours just watching it. Now let's talk about Ajay Devgan's Shivai. Now I feel Shivai is hugely inspired by the Hollywood blockbuster trilogy Taken. The hero's daughter gets kidnapped and the hero goes on a vengeance trip. Very nice, perfect. But the movie is so long, so dragging, and some of the scenes are so long that you feel like you wish you had the remote control in your hand and you could press that forward button. The action scenes are fantastic.
अज्ञानी का ज्ञान भी वो है. इसको कांटा लगे ना कंकर, रण में रुद्र, घरों में शंकर. अंत यही सारे विघ्नों का, इस भोले का वार भयंकर.
But that was expected because Ajay Devgan is not only performing it, but he's directing it. And he's definitely the best stunt director's son. So the thrilling part is superb. It can be easily compared to any Hollywood movie. It even reminded me of a Hollywood blockbuster Cliffhanger of Sylvester Stallone. Even reminded me of a Bollywood movie, Sunil Dutt's Himalaya Se Uncha. The story is very similar to many Ajay Devgan movies of the 90s, where the hero is framed for criminal activities and then he comes out with a vengeance strip and bashes up all the goons. Very similar, but this is technically very brilliant. The movie is too long. It drags for 3 hours. The movie could have easily been trimmed by say 50 minutes and made a very thrilling movie. But sadly, Ajay Devgan forgot about it. Ajay Devgan is fantastic in the movie. The role was made for him and he excels in it.
मूंद कर देख रहा है, साथ समय के खेल रहा है। महादेव महाएकाकी, जिसके लिए जगत है जागी। वही शून्य है, वही एकाय, जिसके भीतर बसा शिवाय।
The other stars are just okay. All in all, the movie is quite okay. I think you should just go and watch it. The music in the movie is just okay. Nothing to remember. All I feel about these two movies is that some of these big Bollywood makers should understand that it's not about how much money these makers spend on the movie. It's about the amount of money the audience spend on the movie and whether it's worth it or not. The movie has to be entertaining. It has to be the money's worth. It is also very important for these makers not to necessarily make the movies so long. Both these movies could have been 2 hours 15 minutes and it would have been much better. But making it 3 hours and making it boring for the audience, it's wrong. And it's bad for them too. But it's Diwali and I'm sure these both movies will make a lot of money, especially Ye Dil Hai Mushkil will definitely draw the crowds more. But Shivai also will do well. If I want to rate these both movies, I would give 2.5 stars to Ye Dil Hai Mushkil and probably give 3 stars to Shivai. Only if Shivai could have been chopped, it would have been much better. But still, it's okay. That's it, guys. This is Sunil signing off from Total Filmy. See you next week with some other review. Till then, it's goodbye. Allah Hafiz.